Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Surah Ar-Rahman, number 1248, 18 December 2025. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Allah Azza wa Jalla said, they compare me, Allah, to demons, devils, and the cursed Ad-Dajjal. Look, the sister will be everywhere due to their evil deeds. They would equip me, Allah, with such creature. My punishment will be widespread, even at their very feet.